Alright, here's a quick video about my A.O. Smith 50-gallon heat pump water heater. Installation was pretty simple. There's a couple things you have to remember. One is that it's an air conditioner sitting on top of a water tank, so it's going to make a little noise. The A.O. Smith has a large vent in the back of the unit with a very large fan. Makes a lot of noise. However, for $114 a year, we can put up with a lot of noise. At least we could if it wasn't underneath our bedroom. This thing is much louder than I expected. Selecting modes on the hybrid water heater are pretty simple. Right now it's in electric only because I didn't want to run the fan or the compressor. It's so loud. You press it a couple times and it starts responding. Efficiency means it's heat pump only. You see it comes on quickly. Depending on the ambient air temperature, efficiency is faster than hybrid. Apparently the heating elements are not running at the same time as the compressor. They only run at alternate times. I don't know what the logic is behind that. I have been using it in hybrid mode thinking that I would get faster recovery because this replaced a 70-gallon gas water heater. I thought with a quick recovery time it would be adequate, but it's not. It's rated at 66 gallons an hour, but that's not enough for our house. But whenever you change the mode, it's pretty simple. Just press it once to wake it up and then cycle through the mode you want. I'm leaving it in efficiency. Efficiency is what delivers $114 a year of power use, and at that rate this $1,200 water heater will pay for itself in savings in 4 years.